Hello.
Yes, yes.
Able to see my screen?
Yeah. Mine is 11.11.90 version.
Okay, nice. And before going to the uh, today's session, so just want to tell you few things. Okay, I think I have already explained to you in the demo session.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is an ELT architecture. This one no ODI, not an ETL. I think I'll first, okay, 1 second I will show it. ODI is an ELT tool, Viresh. As you know, Viresh?
Yeah, you explain me.
So this is the thing you can see. This is the screen. It is showing all the what is the difference between the ETL architecture and the ELT architecture. So actually, in ETL architecture, it will come like Informatica. We need some extraction should be there. Some transformation engine we should purchase some transformation engine, and we need to load in data into the target. When we come to the ELT transformation engine, we didn't require any separate transformation engine. From the source directly, we can load. First, it will load the data into the target, and on the target, it will next it will do the transformation. This is the difference between the ETL and the ELT architecture. Okay. So these are the benefits you can see. What are the benefits? That the speed will be very high, performance speed very high. So you can load about 500 million records in 20 to 25 minutes of time.
Okay.
Okay, Viresh. The second thing is 1 second. Architecture, I think I have shown to you. Okay, I have explained to you. That's just to want to tell you this what is the difference between ETL and ELT. Okay. And so again, I'm starting from scratch from beginning. Okay, Viresh.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm creating one schema of the system.
Sri, can you send these commands to me?
Sorry?
Can you send these commands, whatever you are doing?
Oh yeah, okay, sure. So nothing is there, fresh one. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm creating a master repository.
So right now in database, you just created one schema, right?
This
So
is the
that
schema.
schema is for what?
For installing this master repository in that schema, we can create one schema and we need to mention here in which schema this master repository should be installed.
Okay. Okay. So what is the schema name you created?
ODI underscore test.
Okay.
See here, I'm giving them. Here. See, I'm creating in the username is in this physical schema I'm creating. Okay, and the DBA user database user system and that is the default one. Okay. And I'm giving. See, Viresh, no SMP table still now. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
no SMP tables. the master repository is created, Viresh.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, see here, SMP tables, 64 created, press click.
Okay.
Viresh.
So
Able to see?
what about earlier tables here? That is
There is a
127.
difference, physical schema I have saved in. Okay. Now I connected to ODI test.
Okay. So these 64 tables are created up when we
This ODI test,
when you create
this
this.
ODI test I have created now, new physical schema. While creating
Okay.
master repository, I have given this ODI test username and password.
Okay.
So in that schema only, it has created these 64 tables.
Mm-hmm.
I'll see now another tables will be created while creating the. Okay, Viresh, now we are able to connect to this master repository. Okay.
Okay.
So say I'm creating new work repository. So here see what is the physical schema and the ODI test. Okay. In that schema only it will create it. So I'm selecting development only.
Hmm. Okay.
See now 183.
Okay. Okay.
With some tables which are in the work repository it has created. Okay. And I'm connecting today I will explain this topology thing. I think I have explained to you how to connect to the database. Hello.
Yeah. So
now this master repository and work repository creation is done. So now we need to
okay.
connect this query to this particular database. Okay, we need to first create the new data server. Okay.
So
My
is it
database is Oracle.
for source or target, or it's for both?
For both, we need to create it.
Okay.
I'm using Oracle database. I am selecting Oracle. Okay, and here I'm clicking new data server. Okay,
Okay.
some name I'm clicking. Data server is nothing but a connecting to the particular database. That's it.
Okay. So here again we have to give admin system user ID and password.
Yes. Whichever user through which user you are logging, you can give it, no issue.
No, you gave system, right? So system is
No issue. That is the schema, no, database here mainly, not the schema.
not ODI
Data
schema. Right?
It will connect to the database. Data server means through user it is maybe different now. Which schema you can connect, no issue. We can connect with ODI test also. That is schema name now. This one.
Okay. So it means we are going to import tables from system
user. That's it. ODI also we can connect. ODI test also, no issue.
Okay.
These are schemas only now in a particular database. This main thing is connecting to the database. This is the important thing. To which database you are connecting.
Okay.
This is the important thing. Service XC. If we have three or four databases, this is the thing. No, it will vary. It will vary. One will have different shifts. It will connect to XC, main database, to one data particular. In real time also you will have so many things, and you need to go and check whether if any issue is there. You need to go and check whether it is pointing to the correct database or not. This is the area where you need to go and check it in the database.
Okay.
ODI test. See, it is showing. Please register under one physical schema for your data server. Okay.
Need to create agent. Should we create agent?
Just install different version today.
Localhost. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
It's done. It has connected to the database. Now I need to, in a database, we have two schemas here. We can create another schema. So in a particular database, there will be so many users. Users nothing but a schema. So from which schema you need to you are having that source tables or target tables from which schema you are bringing. So see, it will show all the schemas in my thing. I have a system here. See, just now I created ODI test. These are all schemas. So through which schema you are planning to take the data. ODI work repository, this is work schema means directly ODI will not take data from the ODI test physical schema. It will move to the in a schema, it will create some work schema, and from work schema will get the data. Okay, means directly it will not keep the physical schema. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Abhiresh, any doubts here in the data server and physical schema? Any confusion?
Yeah.
Anything?
So this ODI test, we created it for master repository and work repository.
Yes.
So same thing we are going to use for source and target.
Or we can create another schema and we can use it here.
Okay.
In this physical schema, we can use it. If you create the source, this one ODI test, you can, if you are using this thing, you can create it. You can use it there.
Okay.
Okay. If your tables are in ODI test 1, you want to use this schema here. Or your source tables are in ODI test, or it is in the system, which is in which physical schema your source tables are there. From which thing you are accessing. Anything you can give it. Okay? What is the schema you are using? That's it. Got it, no?
Yes. Yes.
This data server is nothing but to connect to the database. That's it. How to identify this? Which database? This is the signal. This is the physical schema in that database. And this work tables prefix. Remember, these are important. Viresh, $, $C$, and $I$ tables. Okay? These are very important. Okay? $, I will explain you later what is this $, $C$, and integration. Okay, remember these things. Okay?
Okay.
So, today I am connected to system schema and I will create there and everything. Okay?
Okay.
No context has been specified. So I have explained to you, what is the physical architecture, logical architecture, and everything. So shall I explain once again?
Yeah, I think we need to
okay, I'll give a brief description about these things. Okay, in ODI, everything will be under the logical architecture. Logical architecture is nothing but here we are connected to the data server, and we have connected to the physical schema. And when we create a logical schema, it will point to this physical schema, logical architecture. When we get logical schema, here we will create, and it will point to the physical schema. And everything will run on the logical schema only. Okay.
Okay.
When you are habituated, they will get to know the difference. Why we are not difference. Why we are using logical architecture and physical architecture and the context. Okay. So here same thing. I will create new data server, new logical schema. So context should be there. See, context is created. Okay.
What is this context? Sorry.
It will point from logical architecture. It will point to context, and context to this ODI thing. I will explain you briefly. No issue. I will explain. think this is a physical schema. Okay, Viresh. And through context, we are connecting to the logical schema here again. Logical schema. Please mention this one as a context. Okay, and this is the logical schema. And this one is
Okay.
okay. This one is physical schema. So for one physical schema, there will be definitely one logical schema will be there. We need to define it. Okay. Here I have defined the physical schema. See here, this one is physical architecture, and for this physical schema, we need to define one logical architecture. Okay, this logical architecture. See here, I have mentioned as a ODI test. This name is connecting to see here context, which is dev, and dev it will point to ODI source and bring the data from this. See here, system is the
Okay.
our physical schema. ODI source is our data
Physical
server.
Okay.
Our data server means database name I have given. So from this database, it will connect to this system of physical schema through dev context, and it will bring data to the logical schema. Here from logical schema, data will be taken and moved to this interfaces run on this logical architecture.
Okay. Yeah.
Means in repositories, if you have another repository and it is test, okay, and the same logical architecture will be there, okay, and if you need to give another thing like test. So if I have a test database, okay, if you create another thing, this test, and while running time, if you mention context as test, okay, and if you while running time, this logical architecture will point to this. This logical architecture will point to test, and it will connect to the physical some other physical schema which is there in the test database.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Got it? This is the driving means context is the driving point here. So ODI test will be this logical thing will be same for entire dev test production and everything. The same logical will be there, but while runtime, if you select dev, it will with the particular dev database and it will point to that thing. Yes, you can mention there here.
Okay. If there are multiple physical sources, then we have to create different context, right? Is that correct?
Means physical means if dev database, one thing is there, one or two things you can create it and you can point. You need to mention it to which schema it need to be pointed.
Okay.
Okay, got it, no?
Yeah.
I will take another session with these things when after a few days, completion of few days, once again I will explain you. Because right now it will be a little bit confusion for you because this is the new concept. You cannot find anywhere in the information or anywhere this type of architecture. Okay.
Okay.
So see, it is grayed out because we have not connected to the work repository. After creation, we have connected to the master repository only.
Yes, correct. Okay.
We have asked me, see, dev work. See here, I'm connecting to dev work. So see what is the master repository, ODI test and ODI test I'm connecting. Master repository. Okay. It will take it. If you give the password here, Viresh, each and
Yes.
every time it will not ask.
Okay.
Okay. Now designer is enabled. See,
Hmm.
new project. Only a sample given. Automatically, if I give this thing, uh, see here, as you previously I have shown to you, first folder variables sequences. These are the mandatory. These are the things it will come automatically. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's the interface. Yeah, interface. Yeah, integrated. So here, see optimization context through which database it will connect. If you give dev, okay, I will show you my running time. Okay. These are the in model folder we will keep all these data stores, metadata. Viresh, see, I have connected to the system. See here,
Okay. Okay.
because in the topology, go to this my Oracle database. I have given the ODI source, but physical schema, see which one I have connected? System schema.
Mm-hmm.
So I have connected to the system only, the system schema, and creating that. See, Viresh, I have created one another table. EMP underscore test. Okay, just
Okay. Yeah.
no data is there. EMP I have created. EMP there is a data.
Yes. Correct.
So I'm just for sample purpose I'm importing this EMP table and EMP test into this ODI. How I will do see putting a table. Okay. Here terminology will be different. Okay, it will call as a reverse engineering. So this one reverse engineering. Knowledge
Okay.
modules I have explained here now.
So this has to be done in designer itself. This reverse
Designer
engineering.
only. Everything.
So we don't import any tables in topology and all. That
No.
logical.
Look, see, I will show you how it works. So right now I'm importing these knowledge modules. Already shown to you, I think.
Sri, why you are importing only these few knowledge modules? Any specific reason?
Yeah, these are related to this our SQL. No, see here. See here, so many things. SQL, Sybase IQ, Teradata, NetEase, the HSQL. And I have selected only this one, Oracle and SQL. Okay.
Okay.
For IKM, see here, file to file, file to high load data, file to Teradata. So, so many for each and every technology there is a knowledge module. For this in knowledge modules, two types will be there, Viresh. One is a generic knowledge module and the customized non-generic knowledge module. Generic knowledge module means Oracle will provide these knowledge modules. Now, Oracle we can directly use these knowledge modules. Okay. Generic one means it will suitable to any technology. Okay? It is not specific to particular technology. So only I have selected a few things. IKM SQL control append. This is not related to a particular technology. Generic ones. If your target is any database, it will work. For that purpose, I have imported these knowledge modules.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it? Two types. Remember these things. This is an interview question. They will ask how many types of knowledge modules are there. Which types means 6. These are types, and they will ask what is the generic? They will ask like that. So you can say generic and non-generic. What is the difference between generic knowledge module and non-generic knowledge module? If it is a generic knowledge module, it will support all the technologies, whether it is a Teradata, target is a Teradata database, let's say Oracle, SQL, any technology it will support it, generic. Okay.
Okay.
Non-generic means if you see here, particularly it will mention like here Oracle, Teradata, IKM Teradata, IKM Teradata incremental. This one see here. It will support only this Teradata thing only.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it, no? Generic and non-generic. Okay. And these are six types of knowledge modules are there. So I have explained this LKM, no, SQL loader. This one I have explained to you. Integration I have from source to this. Generalizing, this one is a CDC, change data capture. Okay. I will explain you later while doing things. CKM I mentioned the data constraints means where condition. If you want to filter out something, you need to use this CKM. Okay. And this one is reverse engineering, is to import the metadata from the database. Reverse engineering. So right now I'm using this knowledge module.
Okay.
See, I will show you here. Listen carefully this thing, Viresh. You will understand the entire topology, how it works. Okay. New model I am creating it. See, I am creating like ODI underscore test. See here, code ODI automatically it will take it. See technology. What is your database? From which database you are taking it? This is Oracle. And see, automatically logical schema ODI test it will come. So, what is ODI test? This is the logical architecture. Not automatically. You need to only one it is there. No, it is showing ODI test. If you have 5 or 6, from which database you need to connect. And you need to. So ODI test, it will point to this physical schema. This one. Why? Because when you open this one, see here, dev. It is connecting to ODI source system here.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
So internally, you are bringing data from this physical schema system.
Okay. Okay.
Understand, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now clear, no? Yeah. So that is the thing. At runtime, you need to select this context. Dev means it will point to dev database. Test means it will from this thing it will point to test and it will go to different database. Now we have only one database. No. So I'm just you can do dev and we need to run it. So okay, reverse engineer. See here. Only metadata will be moved to the ODI. Remember, only metadata. So what is our table name? EMP.
But you said this reverse engineering has to be done in designer, right?
Here only. What is-
It should be done in designer or logic?
Designer only. Designer only. In the model folder. Here you will do it.
Okay. Can you do it
See
again,
here.
please?
New model.
Okay.
Logical schema about context based volume test. This one I have actually done. See here our tables. Yes. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
So our tables which we have created here.
So what was the issue? I didn't see that. Earlier it was giving some error.
This one I have not saved, I think.
Okay, that context. Okay.
While after doing the changes, I have not saved, I think.
Okay.
Okay. See here, two things here. Reverse engineering. It will be standard and customized. Two things will be there. Okay, Vinesh.
Yes.
Standard means when there is a database, we can through standard JDBC driver, it will import the metadata into the ODI. Customized means when you want to move the data from the application, like Hyperion, it is an application. There you cannot access these databases and everything. And the Oracle apps. If you want to access data from Oracle apps or these things, applications, you need to go for the customized thing.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. And a knowledge module, you need to mention this RKM underscore particular technology, it will be like that. Okay? The standard is when we have a particular database, standard database like Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, these are all databases. If you want to use standard, customized applications. IPMS base. This is an application. There will be multi-dimensional database. From there, you need to access the data. We need customized one. That's it. Remember these two things. Standard for database, customized for application. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Applications you need to when you are. So, see, my data model is there. Okay. Oh, I didn't reverse engineer. Okay. Okay. So I'm selecting here. See, reverse engineer. Okay. My tables, my metadata is moved to this model folder. See here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
See columns, 3 columns, everything is there. So today, just I will show you one interface and I will wind up. Yeah, today class. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So optimization context we are using dev. Means it will take data from that dev or logical dev, and it will take what are the things here. If you see, it will take dev. Dev means it will go to schemas and will see what is the logical schema ODI test and what is the physical schema for that thing. See here, logical schema and physical schema. Okay.
Okay.
From this schema, it will move the data to the test ODI test, and it will move the data. Okay. Got it now? Because our source tables are both, our tables are there in the same schema. If our tables are in different schema, okay, this EMP and EMP test are in the same schema. Both the things are in different schema. You need to mention another thing here. Okay. System you mentioned that you need to mention ODI or something different thing, and it will same dev only. You need to give another thing. I will show you tomorrow what is the thing. Okay.
Okay.
I'm creating a new interface. Okay. First of all, you need to drag the target. So target is EMP test. Just dragging here. Okay.
So can you show me again? So this.
Just dragging.
No, you created interface.
Huh?
No, this
Sorry,
ODI
yes?
sample. No, can you do
yes.
this again? ODI sample is what?
Like this new interface.
Okay,
Right click
new
new interface.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
See context dev, because I showed a dev means it will point to system. It will check there.
Okay.
It will call you. So just dragging this model metadata from source target. Okay. Here it will show you, do you want to perform automatic mapping? If the columns names are same, it will do automatic mapping. See here, it is done.
Okay.
Or otherwise, you can do manually. You can copy this table, drag and drop like this.
Mm-hmm. You drag both the tables or only one table, Siri?
Mm-hmm.
No, did you drag both the tables?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
So this is the property inspector here. Okay. You can see here you can click on this one. You can see that emp number. Okay, it will take this column here. Okay. So I'm deleting here. I'm saving here. Nothing is there. See, I'm mapping here. EMP number to EMP number. Okay. This is manually you can do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the quick edit. Here you can see what are the sources. First one is EMP. Okay. Any joins are there, any lookups are there. So I will tell you in future. Okay, we'll do tomorrow. Filters, we need to give it mappings.
Mm-hmm.
So see mapping. Here what is the target table and what is the source. You will see here. See target column name, source. What is the column name here? And you need to mention this knowledge module in this here in flow. In flow, you need to select the target table name here on top of this target trailer, and say I'm giving generic knowledge module. Means it will suitable for any knowledge, anything, any technology. And flow control enabling this one. I will explain you later these things while classes are going on. Okay. Just for today, I'm just showing you how it will works. Okay, interface. Okay.
Okay. You selected target, then IKM.
Target and I have select the knowledge module here. IKM.
Okay.
See here, this IKM. IKM is because these are in the same database only. No, we are not importing from any flat files or anything from database table to database table. Then no need of LKM here.
Okay. Okay.
I have to tell you now the SQL loader. Go to this SQL loader concept once you will understand this LKM how it will works. Okay. LKM will come in two things. Remember, two situations. You will LKM will be useful. The source is a flat file and the target is a database table. That time LKM will come into picture. Second thing is that if the two tables are in the different databases, okay, then that time LKM will come into picture.
Okay. Different database means different schema or different database altogether?
Different databases.
Not different schema.
Not different schemas.
Okay. Okay.
So I have created this thing interface. Okay.
Okay.
I am executing this thing. Context. Which context you need to run? Table. See, in the operator, you will see all these sessions, logs every day. It's everything here. So it ran successfully. See here, what is the code inside here? On that, I have shown you know how to insert one table to one table. The general SQL syntax will be there. No, see here.
Yes,
insert into sample EMP test as select EMP name from this EMP. This is the sample code which we will use it now in Oracle.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Same thing, it will use it here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it will automatically the IKM knowledge module. If you go and see in the IKM knowledge module, this see option insert new rows. What is the syntax here? See here, insert into target table, select star from source. This is the thing. Okay.
Okay.
Same syntax which we used previously. How to in SQL we are using same thing. It will be template. This is the template, and we have given in the flow. No, in the flow we have selected this knowledge module. So at runtime it will generate the same query and it will insert into the thing. So now if you query, see data is there, moved.
Okay. Okay.
Viresh, is it clear now?
Yes. Yeah. Today. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. It's very helpful.
Okay. Tomorrow I will explain in depth what is the. I will take some interfaces and I will show you. Okay. Today, for sample purpose, I have shown you how the data will move from the interface and knowledge module. Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Tomorrow, can we create two different schemas, one for source and one for target?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So
Sure. Yeah, we can do it. No issue.
And also, if you can if you can guide me like how to use the proper naming convention, that will help in real time for me.
Yeah.
So
actually, you are working in OBI, no?
Yes, correct.
Means
No,
BI apps project or what you are using?
It's OBI, not BI app.
Okay. I will show you now naming conventions, everything. No issue. I will tell you. No issue. Okay.
Yeah, I mean in the when you create this new interface and all.
I will follow this.
Yeah, what all the naming convention I should use in the real time, so that will help me.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Means it will be like I will show you just thing. New interface. This, you have idea on this Bay Apps projects, no? Just
Yeah, I have
so
idea.
just I'm putting like a SDE, source data extract underscore. Okay, it is a retail project. Finance will be there. I think if it is a retail, okay, retail. Aggregate underscore tag underscore load. Like this, it will be there.
Okay.
Real time scenario. This is the thing. If you SIL will be there. Okay. And
So
PLP. This.
for interface, we use it will start with SIL.
SD. Source definite extract. From source we are taking it now. First of all, SDE will be there. Next SIL will be there. Next after that, any aggregates we will do in the post load processing. PLP we will do it.
Okay. Yeah, I think from next exercise we'll use at least for.
So determination will be there. Retail means retail. Finance means finance. Okay.
Okay.
What you are going to do it there. Okay. And second thing, retail. As for if you take a product, in the product, if you have different modules will be there now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Which domain you are working?
Financial. Yes.
Finance side, okay. Finance also so many different. A means accounts receivable, accounts payable, AP payables. Different things are there.
Yes, correct.
So you can put like it will be like a payable. The module name will be there. Okay. Retail is the finance, payable, fact table is fact table. Otherwise, if it's a dimension load, like this, it will be there. Okay. This one. Naming convention like this, it will be there. As soon as you see the interface, they need to find out what is it exactly it is doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Viresh. Tomorrow we will start. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Ah,